Good morning, local news for Thursday the 9th of March. Wairarapa Police have launched a new initiative focused on reducing youth offending. The program, which began on the 1st of March, aims to assist our most at-risk children in an attempt to steer them away from entering the youth justice system. Senior Constable Mike Brown has been working with child and youth offenders for almost a decade and is asking any concerned parents or guardians to reach out, saying it's time for a fresh approach to our local young people if we're to make the greatest impact on our community. There is less than a month left to provide feedback on a new draft conservation management strategy for the Wairarapa region. The Department of Conservation is inviting everyone to have their say on the 10-year plan before submissions close at 4 p.m. on Tuesday the 4th of April. The boundary of this plan includes some of the most popular recreation areas in the Lower North Island, including the Tararua, Ruahine, Rimataka and Aorangi Forest Parks. Masterton's newest food outlet, Domino's, opens today. Owners, local couple and business partners DJ Singh and Bianca Zepter are hosting a free pizza day today from 1 till 5 p.m. while stocks last. And in sport, the Premier Rugby draw for 2017 has been released, with round one set to get underway on the 8th of April for the Premiers. Defending champions Greytown will play Martimara in the opening round, while last year's finalist Carterton will host Pioneer. The senior reserve competition will commence on the 22nd of April. For local news and sport, good morning, I'm Brent Gare.